Ellie and Max were super excited. This year, their parents planned a trip to the mountains to see snow for the first time in their lives. For days, they talked about making snowmen, building igloos, and having snowball fights. "I'll make the biggest snowman ever," Max said, grinning. "And I'll throw snowballs at you all day," laughed Ellie. Finally, the big day arrived. They packed warm clothes, gloves, and their camera to capture all the fun. Sunny, their golden retriever, wagged his tail, excited to join them. As they drove to the mountains, the kids couldn't stop looking out the window. "Look at those tall trees covered in frost," Ellie said. "And the hills, they look so beautiful," added Max. Their parents smiled, happy to see their excitement. Sunny barked, enjoying the ride. After hours of traveling, they finally reached the mountain area. But when they got out of the car, something was wrong. There was no snow. The ground was bare, and the trees were just cold and dry. Ellie's smile faded. "Where is the snow?" she asked sadly. "I was so ready to build my snowman," Max muttered, kicking a small rock. Their parents noticed their disappointment. "How about we go to a famous restaurant nearby?" suggested Mom. "We can have something delicious to eat while we wait." At the restaurant, they sat by the window and ate steaming hot soup and yummy sandwiches. The food made them feel a little better. As they talked and laughed, something magical happened. "Look outside," Dad said, pointing to the window. Fluffy snowflakes were falling from the sky. Slowly at first, then faster and faster. The ground turned white, and everything looked like a winter wonderland. "It's snowing! It's snowing!" shouted Ellie and Max, jumping up from their seats. They quickly finished their food, grabbed their warm jackets, and ran outside. Sunny barked happily, jumping into the snow. The kids laughed and played, throwing snowballs, making snow angels, and finally building their first snowman. "This is the best day ever," Ellie said, her cheeks red from the cold. "Let's take pictures," Max said, pulling out the camera. They took lots of photos with their snowman, the snowy trees, and Sunny rolling in the snow. When it was time to leave, the kids were tired but very happy. On the way home, they looked through the pictures on the camera and talked about showing them to their cousins and friends. "They won't believe how much fun we had," Max said. Ellie smiled. "I'll always remember this day." Sunny gave a happy woof, and the family laughed together, knowing this winter adventure was one they would never forget.